Hey department mates, thank you so much for clicking play on the video and learning how to do this, sending this email for the ETF Forum 2018. So what you want to do is go into all of the classes you're going to email, so one at a time. So I'll just go into one as an example, one of my classes, and go click on the email, and then click compose. You want to remove the auto subject. And what you want to do is just go into my verbiage doc and grab the subject I've created for you. Grab that subject line, put it in. And then you want to go to the HTML source editor, looking for the little icon down here. You see that, those brackets right there. Empty out what's in there, select all and delete. And then go back to that verbiage doc and you're going to copy this HTML code from this heading tag all the way down to the ending paragraph tag. So I've copied that. Now paste that in here, click save, and now you see it's lovely, it's formatted, it's italicized, it's indented, and then this link should open as a new window, which is really great. That confuses students sometimes when it doesn't happen. You can put your name down under the text, you can leave my name, I don't care how you do that. But then of course what you want to do is go into the address book and select all of your students and send this message to them and click the send button. So please do this. I so appreciate it if you will help us out and help our department out. All right, thanks so much.